Established in 1977, Ashtree is a UK design and manufacturing company. This video aims to tell you a little about what we do. We cut mirror glasses to shape, and to shatterproof it to international standards, we had a machine specially made for the job. We manufacture well over 200,000 mirrors a year, and this is where we do it. We produce many different styles of mirror designed for use on a wide range of machines and vehicles across a broad spectrum of industries. Recent investment has seen the introduction of state-of-the-art tube bending and welding equipment, meaning we are now able to take on jobs not in our traditional range of products. Ashtree mirror arms are manufactured in-house. We export worldwide, and our staff have a great deal of experience in preparing shipments from single boxes up to full containers. With over £1 million of stock of raw materials and finished goods, we can get orders packed and shipped in good time. For many years, we've been ISO 9001 approved. Our scope covers the design and manufacture of mirrors and mirror arms. We also hold the ISO 14001 environmental standard. To help reduce our carbon footprint, Ashtree has invested in a 100 kilowatt solar energy plant. With this and other energy plant efficiencies, we aim to become a carbon neutral business in the future.